Hi there, my name's Jason Williams, and continuing on, I made this fire pit a while ago, and I was going to make a barbecue. Anyway, so now it's time to turn it into a barbecue. Since winter, freezing cold, and see all rugged up. Whew. And yeah, I guess I'll begin. I'm going to put some steel in to stop the coals falling through so easy. Got some Rio bar there, and then I'm going to make a little swing away, and you'll see it all as it comes together. Alright, let's begin. And so, in the interest of time, I've kind of got all this together, and I've got to clean off a spot for the earth clamp to attach. Make sure the welder can clamp on there, get a good connection. Then I've got to clean these sections up and cut these. Alright, let's make it happen. Should be good enough for the earth clamp. Bit of mesh I had sitting in there, it kind of worked, but not really. And then I want to go through and give these a bit of a clean where I'm going to weld. Well, with all those kind of brushed up, give me something to clean to weld to. These are a bit rusty, but that's okay. Now, I guess I'll cut a heap of this up. Alright, with making sure this is as level as you can get it, I'll use that big level. And then going with this one. Sweet. Alright. Now I'm going to put that there. Not going to be too fancy. Alright, well, that bit done. Turn the welder off. I will look at how high do I want it off there. That hot about 100 mil off. What if I have it 50 mil off? That's way too high. I'm going to go 100 mil. So if I got this other piece of tube here, it actually fits over top of this one, and that's going to there's going to be a washer there, sit on top of that, and then it just, so this I can cut at 100 mil. And then my billy can holder can be above that as well. So I reckon if I cut this 120 mil, and then I make some parts. Yeah, so I'm going to cut 120 mil, cut this bit, and then I've got to make up a whole heap of bits. Well, not a whole heap, but a few, so that I can have the hot plate. So I can just swing over and swing away, and this is going to be the retainer. If I don't tip the whole barbecue over. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, and now I guess I'll find that hot plate, wherever it is, or wherever I left it, around here somewhere, and I'll cut these up. Just got to sit there and think about, I'll cut that at 120. Oh. 20. 120, and the other bit will be, I reckon, about 200 mil, because that'll hang a billy can. Yeah, so 120 and 200 mil. Let's cut them. All right. Well, I found some big washers, so I'm gonna weld that one on here. That will go on there, and I did have another washer. That's going to slide over there. I'm going to slide over there. It's going to be the tool hanger, and so they can freely spin on each other. Just want that one welded, not this one. I want that to stay free. And I'm going to now make the assembly that holds this hot plate. Yeah, and see how that goes. Right, as for the hot plate, like the barbecue hot plate, we've got this one. And, I've got another one exactly the same as it, so I know this frame will work. So what I'm going to do is cut this to size, knowing that this one is going to be here. It's going to be a little bit tricky, but I've got some techniques and ideas, and I'll show them as I go. Gonna try use all the bends and things to my advantage that are already on here, and so we're just gonna. I'll make a frame that this sits in, and then weld it to that, and then make some gussets. Henceforth, this is 120 mil. So I figured that I'd weld that on there and have at least 100 mil, and that should support it. If not, I can always make another one. So we'll figure that out as we go. Yeah. So I guess I should cut this stuff up. Yeah. Give this a little bit of choppy. All right, and so I have my magnets, tape measure. I found another piece. That might be able to use it. We'll see how we go. Welds on just there, so that's an extra spot for it to catch in. That would be great. Now to make another one exactly the same. So for this, for carrying my billy can, I've got to make this 270 mil long. Make it 250. Nice easy number to remember. So there we have it. We have a like, if I swing it out that way, I can do hit my billy can up, and, take it off, and it out the way, and cook on the hot plate. About the right kind of height, I think, to make a nice heat. I'm thinking that maybe I should have gone lower, but oh well, maybe not. Either way, this works, and so I'm not going to light up today because I'm absolutely done. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow, but as I can take this off, hot plate off, take the washer off, put that aside because I'll need that in a sec. I'm going to take these off. I bent this one so it's actually a bit of a tight fit. Bit of a whoops, but oh well. That's where I accidentally hit it with a hammer. What I'm going to do with this oil is, this is rice bran oil, so it's got a good smoke content. And I'm going to spray the shaft, the mast with it. Call it a mast, why not? Not a boat, but hey. That's that on there. Put the. I've got this. See, it's got a gap. So it depends if it's heavy on the front or the back. I'll turn it accordingly, and the fat can drip out there. And we can put that on and say that's it, it's done. Oh, typical. Now where did you go, washer? Because you know you fell through. This. Okay, and I assume this, because this is sitting outside, so I assume it will start getting rusty, and I'll just have to take it off every now and then and give it a bit more oil. Amazingly, that's kind of it. So that's look how well this works. Cook on there, move it off, have that. And a billy can, a cup of tea, if I want. I can even hang a camp oven off that. The way I've made it, it's all pretty strong. Hang a small camp oven off there, and yeah, cool. Either way, I'm pretty excited. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to use that. I don't have the energy to light up now, so yeah, that will be it for this video. And hope this was useful to you, or inspires you to make something similar or the same or whatever. Either way, I hope it's useful. Thanks for watching. I'll aspire to see you in the next one. Cheers.